because I'm just in my home pajamas slash sweats, but I have to quickly pack because I am going to Connecticut for the weekend to see my parents, and I haven't packed yet, and I am leaving in like an hour. So yeah, let's pack real quick. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I have some stuff. So I have my toothbrush. This is the Colgate Hum. I have it in this really cute mint color. My Curology, because that's really the only nighttime skincare routine that I do. My B&O earphones that my friends got me a couple years ago that are like my favorite, but they like, you can change and shift the sound and it's really, really cool. And then my charger, this is like an outlet charger, and then this is like charger thingy that I got from Muji, which I really like. Additionally, cool thing, you can extend this side thing. I'm gonna take my sunglasses just in case, because I need to ask my mom if we can get these prescripted, because I literally love these sunglasses. I got them at Canal Street Market like last fall and they fit my face so well. I don't know, like I feel like this looks really good. And like there's so much space for my flat nose, Asian nose, so much space on the side. I hate it when my sunglasses, any sort of glasses, get really close. I think I realized that I have a bigger face than I thought I did. I didn't want to take like a big bag because I don't want to hold a ton of stuff. See, like I have a designated black tote bag that I use only for work. It is like my work tote bag and it's like very big. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna do that one because I really like only using that for work. I don't really like mixing my stuff. So I'm gonna take a different one. Ooh. Someone just came inside. Do you want to show everyone a big stretch? Show them your stretch. Show them your stretch. Ooh. Big stretch. Say hi, Mr. Henry. Say hello. Okay, I'm gonna stick all of this in the tote bag. My tote bag is in the other room. I need to scourge through a little bit, but yeah. Because we have to run some errands. We have to throw out the trash. And then also we had to stop at Home Depot because I actually came to paint the bathroom slash powder room downstairs. It's just like this really ugly green and I just can't stand it. And my parents have been wanting to renovate the house for a super long time, but I've just pushed it off. I mean, they just probably don't also have time. And obviously painting isn't really renovating, but anything that'll improve the house. So we bought all the stuff that we need to paint the bathroom. Let me show you guys what we're working with. So it's very green, but this green does not go well at all with this green, which is why I'm gonna paint it just like a pretty neutral eggshell colored type white, since all of these are white. So I think I'm gonna just kind of remove everything and then we'll start taping things down and get to painting because I have only one day to do this all.
Let me scream, let me scream. That's what I need, baby. Dance on me, man, and let everybody in the room see. That's you and me, baby. It's so hard to make a sound, and that's why you should keep me.
2 seconds in and I already have paint all over my hands. Like, how? I've done the edges. Quick lunch break. I need a lunch break.
Why can't I get a look from your direction? Give me just a second. I need your attention. I need your attention, baby. Why can't I get them to ever see us? Them to just believe us, baby. They will hear us. If they don't know us, they gon' hear us. They gon' hear us. Hey, and I promise that they gonna hear us.
I just had my lunch. I'm actually pretty full now and pretty tired, but it is actually now time to do the actual painting. I'm gonna start with this wall, and we're gonna do the real rolling painting. It's pretty cloudy outside, so I want to get this done before the sun goes down. At least one coat before the sun goes down is the goal.
Baby, got it and it works, and I've been working a lot. Yeah. So anytime it comes to that, all I really do is focus on the why. Let me scream. That's what I need, baby. Dance on me, man, and let everybody in the room see. That's you and me, baby. It's so hard to make a sound, and that's why you should keep me around. Listen, baby, yeah. When I'm done, it's gonna be obvious. Imagine if that was all of us now. Why can't I get a look from your direction? Give me just a second. I need your attention. I need your attention, baby. Why can't I get?
I was really banking on only having to do one coat, but I think I'm gonna have to do two because there are definitely a lot of areas that are a little bit splotchy. And I mean, the green was really, it was really bright, so it's fine. I have enough paint, so it's all good, but let me show you how it's looking right now. So I did all of this, did the ceiling. The ceiling is where I kind of struggled. Over here. And then just like that. So I'm back in my apartment in New York. I don't actually have after photos of the bathroom, and that is because there were some parts in the corners that I couldn't really get. So my dad said that he would go back and do it for me. So I will be going back to Connecticut soon, probably within the next couple of weeks. So I will make sure to show you guys how it ended up turning out. Okay, I know I look bad because I just came out of the shower, but we have something very important to address. I just got this in the mail and I am so excited. I personally really love sprouts. I love it on my sandwiches. I love it on my bagels. I love it as, what is it? Like little toppings. There's a word for it. I forgot the name. But yeah, I like it in my spring rolls. But I think sprouts are just like super easy. So I got this Nature Gym Sprouts salad mix. And then I also got these little covers where you screw it onto a mason jar, and then in the back here it kind of tells you how to make these sprouts at home. But I thought it would be really great just because I actually can't find sprouts at my local grocery store, and it's just so easy to do at home, and I think like this will give me sprouts for such a long time. So I'm gonna try it, and I think the first night it says to soak it in cool water for 8 to 12 hours. So I'm gonna start today. Unfortunately, the ones that I bought these are too big for all the jars that I have. I thought it would fit in this mason jar, but it's too big. So then I was banking on it fitting the rows that I have so many of, but it's also still too big. But I really don't want to go out and buy a bigger jar. I just feel like that totally defeats the purpose of me saving these jars, and like I really don't need more jars. And I tried to find smaller ones, but I couldn't find one that fit any of the jars that I have. So I think this is like the best I can get it, and I'll just figure it out. And apparently it only takes 5 days, so I'm really excited, and I will update you guys on how this goes. This is the current situation. It looks kind of like so why are they floating up and then some falling down? It's kind of like a lava lamp. Okay, and I believe I'm supposed to store it upside down, which is why we have these little feet. For now, I'm gonna use this plate, and then I actually have a Swedish dishcloth that I think I can use. I'm gonna just lay, this is just one that I have, and then we're gonna store this guy.